we're quarter of the way through of the Dyls invites. This time, the funnels have made it back to the Dyls invite. Today, some of these teams have never touched the funnel before, I think. I'm not too good with that, but anyway, this is a funnel track. 3 big funnels and 3 small funnels, right? 6 funnels in total. You will decide our winners. You see, everyone in the starting blocks. We will not show the standings for this event, unfortunately, due to some errors of the scoring system, but we will show the standings next event. You see, Wojo Dose, Star, Shimmer, Gazing, Shower, Seahorse, Land, and Growl. From Wojo Rollers, Milky Ways, Shining Swarm, Stargazers, Flamethrowers, Seahorses, Earths, and the Growlers. Stay in the final the longest. Seahorses. Who say they're doing that first? There's Earths and Shining Swarm are all down in that funnel. You see Stargazers and Flamethrowers, looks like. Oh, Wojo, you see that now? You see the teams order down there? Earths now. I don't know who will take it. Who'll finish first? And that's the Milky Ways. In front of the Growlers, Stargazers, and the Wojo Rollers. Seahorses will advance. Shining Storm will advance as well. So will the Earths. So that will give the victory to the Flamethrowers. Wojo Dose. Wow. Well, what I am. Huh. What a funnel master he is, huh? Getting dead last. He did that. Right in the last most staying games, he got 6. So. Yeah. Oh. Ow! Sorry. Okay, we're good. We're good. So that's a little different. Who's ready for the next heat? The matches and teams here. Here we go. We have, well, Travel from Futurizers. Zeb, again from Zooey Zebras. Primart, the reservable primers, and we have Silver from Team Silver, Monster Level again from Cheese Balls, Julie from Sapphires, sorry for that, Core from Nightcrawlers, and of course you have from Sky Forces. They're being forced, of course. Top 8 will advance. Who lead the gate? And it's the Sapphires. Who nears off? Oh, look at this. Who's leading the way? It's Primers and Team Silver. The Primers will have the early lead. And Futurizers take the lead. Oh, the Cheese Balls are done. So the Sky Force. So is the Nightcrawler. So Sapphires will advance. Primers, Futurizers, out of nowhere actually, will advance. Wow, some interesting team going to the final. I mean, Cheese Balls. Well, some of the bottom contenders, got eliminated. I did not know that was a thing. Well, there you go. But that means that we have a lot of teams of different competitions here. I think in total, we have, as they're counting, so 4 out of the 8 are from different competitions. Here we go. Gale, Land, Seahorse, Primat, Travel, Shimmer, Silver, and Chihuahua. From Sapphire, Earth, Seahorse, Primers, Future Waves, Shiny Swarm, Team Silver and Flame Shot. Who will get the gold? And what? And it's a great start for the Earths. But anything could change in the funnels right now. And you think they're for the third. Who leads the way? Looks like that's going to be the Seahorses. Looks like that's going to be between Seahorses or Primers. And Primers now take the lead. Oh, Seahorses are stuck. And who will get the gold? And it will be Team Silver. Who will get the gold? Team Silver will do it. Shining Swarm, basically out of nowhere, will get the silver, and unfortunately the Primers will get the bronze. Unfortunately, the Future Risers could not hold on, or can the Earths. You might as well just let Seahorses finish the race. They'll be given 2 bonus points for that sad DNF. But Team Silver will get the gold. They needed that after being 15th in the standings. That's gonna be good. Shiny Swarm will get their second medal, a silver. Primus, their second bronze in a row, well, not in a row, but the second bronze of the tournament. Now with the funnel endurance. We'll see for event number 5 when that comes. But man, these games is going to be hectic. Who will win? Who will lose? We'll see you for the 5th event to close out a great and fun tournament.